Satyam Jawal, please be mute. Please be on mute. Divya Mundra. Yes. A very good afternoon, everyone. Are you all ready for today's session? Thumbs up. Very good. Did you all like the yesterday's drawing?
Yes. Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
teacher.
No
Yes.
one to be unmute. Only thumbs
Yes.
up. Do you all understand?
Yes,
अच्छा,
ma'am.
सब लोगों को इंग्लिश आती है? आई विल बी इवन सेइंग इन हिंदी, नो इश्यूज. जब आप लोगों को मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ तो आप लोगों को ऐसा करना है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो ऐसे, या रेज हैंड ऑप्शन क्लिक करना है अगर कुछ पूछना है तो. टू गेट अनम्यूट हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. सी किड्स, ये जूम ऐप नहीं है. जूम ऐप में मैं आप लोगों का होस्ट बन के आप लोगों को सबको म्यूट कर सकती हूँ, बट ये ऐप में ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो प्लीज काइंडली कोऑपरेट विथ मी. ओके किड्स?
Yep.
So, are you all ready for today's session?
Yes, ma'am.
I gave two topics for two age
Yes.
groups. I am sure you all are ready with your wonderful speeches.
Ma'am, ma'am, did you give two topics like
I
coronavirus and
give
something
two.
else?
I give two topics. I gave two topics for two age groups. One was, I suppose, 5 to 9, 5 to 8, and then above that.
Ma'am, for 5 to 8, it was coronavirus, right?
Yeah, you can see the topic. Should I read the topic for you?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Just a second.
Ma'am,
Just a second, kids. Some parents are not able to join.
ma'am,
Okay. Yes, kids, what happened?
ma'am, actually, I did not get time to learn this. So, can I say see and say it?
You can see and say. मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि आपने जो लिखा है वो आप देख के बोलो या बिना देखे बोलो. मुझे सिर्फ ये चाहिए कि आपके खुद के थॉट्स आप बोलो in front of each and every audience, because here we are many people. So I want you all to speak in front of all. You should be having, you as kids should be having a habit to speak in front of all the kids, all the parents, whatever audience you are having. Because see, this is your childhood now. यही एज आप लोगों में. Please be on mute. Please be on mute. Swati Mundra, please be on mute.
Ma'am, I'm
Ayush
seated.
Sharda, please be on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ayush Sharda, please be on mute.
Yes.
Vandana Kasar, Vanshika Kasar, please be on mute. Yes. So please, kindly all of you should be on mute. I will be saying you all. I will be just spelling out the names of the kids. हम लोग पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे छोटे बच्चों से, और फिर बिकॉज दी स्मॉल किड्स ना उनको थोड़ा पेशेंस नहीं रहता एंड दे आर वेरी मच ईगर टू से whatever they have wrote or whatever they have learned. So all my big kids, they are very good kids. So they have to be very calm, they have to be very patient, and they have to listen to the small kids. You all have to be a very good audience for my small little kids over here. Okay? Yes, Swati Mundra, any doubt you have raised hand.
Ma'am, I was just saying that I asked.
That you what?
मतलब I said that I can say that speech by saying. I was just telling you, can I say the speech?
You
That's
can
why.
see the speech and say. It is no problem for me. You can see the speech and say. Okay. Before today's activity, do you all kids want to have some fun song? Do you all kids? Yes, very good. So you all also can repeat my actions. You have to be unmuted. Only I will sing, but you all can repeat my action. Okay, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, here we go.
Yes.
Everyone to be muted. I can see Swati Mundra unmuted. Please be on mute. You should not be unmuted, otherwise you will not be able to hear me. My voice will be echoing. Okay? So please unnecessarily don't be unmuted. Okay? Come on, let's start. Stand up, everyone. You should repeat with me my actions. Only my actions you should repeat. Okay?
Ma'am, when we will start?
We'll start now only. We have started now. Okay? Come on, let's start. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body. Just move your body. Learn and play. Learn and play. Come on, everybody, with me again. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body. Just move your body. Learn and play. Learn and play. Hello to your teacher. Hello to your teacher. How are you today? How are you today? I'm going to listen. I'm gonna listen to what you say. To what you say. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Then just shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it all around. Very good, all of you. Are you all excited? Yes, very good. The kid in the name of Mamta Tapadia, you are continuously unmute. Kindly be on mute. I am not going to repeat anything again. If you all are unmuted, Ashish Asawa, please be on mute. Kindly bear with me. Kindly listen to me, please. Now, I would like all my small kids first here, the kids of the age group 5. I want all the kids of the age group 5 here. Nirvi Manudhane, are you here? Nirvi Manudhane, are you here?
She's not prepared actually, and she
It's
can't
okay.
read. So
It's okay. Parents, see, I have a very kind request. जो भी आपके बच्चे को आता है ना, बस उन्हें बोलने दो. मुझे चाहिए कि वो लोग इंटरैक्ट करें क्लास में, वो लोग बोले कुछ भी क्लास में. जो भी उन्होंने लास्ट ईयर, हमारा पूरा साल भर हो गया है पैंडेमिक, तो साल भर में उन्होंने जो कुछ भी किया है, जो कुछ भी एंजॉय किया है घर पे, या कुछ भी जो भी उनके मन में है, उनको बोलने दो. Parents, kindly parents, I am having a request. Please don't say कि इनको नहीं आता या इन्होंने नहीं prepare किया. Let your kids speak out. Let your kids speak out. Whatever they have in your mind, whatever they have in their mind, please speak up, kids. Come on. यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं है, अपने ही लोग हैं सब, अपने ही भाई बहन हैं. Nirvi Manudhane, please come on, cheer up everyone. Nirvi Manudhane.
can you please continue with other kids? She's not ready actually to speak also. I'll tell her. I'll convince her.
Okay. Durva Vijay Kabra. Durva Vijay Kabra.
Yes.
Are you here? Yes, you are here. Very good. So, will you be able to speak? Right?
Yes.
Anything. Whatever you have in your mind as per the topic, you have to speak. Okay?
Which topic?
Bacha, I gave you the topic na for the kids.
Oh, corona. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone knows every earth has corona because and we have emergency. We want to go outside, then we want to wear mask. If we not wear mask, then other people has so they have fevers, they have fever or cough or cold. They jumps in our body will go and be also sick and sneeze and 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 also we have cough and cold, and we want to wash your hands 20 seconds. We go outside then, and we want to wear mask. And and also we will wash your hands 20 seconds, and one more time we want to wash your hands before eating. And we want to sneeze them like this. We want to sneeze this, and we want to wash their hands. Done. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very good. So here you are knowing now the importance of washing your hands, being clean, being hygienic, right? Very good. Very good, bacha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to say in Hindi, English or both.
आपको कौन सा भी लैंग्वेज कंफर्टेबल है, हिंदी या इंग्लिश, बोथ? कौन आपको जो लैंग्वेज कंफर्टेबल है बच्चा उसमें आप बोल सकते हो. मेरा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आपको हिंदी में बोलना है, मेरा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आपको इंग्लिश में बोलना है. आपके कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज में आपको बोलना है. ओके
Ma'am, we can see and tell.
यस, यू कैन सी एंड से, बट यू हैव टू से. मेरा एक ही मोटो है, आपको बोलना है. आप देख के बोलो, आप बिना देखे बोलो. एंड किड्स सी, whenever you are starting any vocals, please start. See, suppose if I am saying something, I will start. I am Ruchita Mohta. I am so years old. Okay, today my topic is, and what is your topic? You have to say that. Now for the small kids, the topic is how COVID-19 has changed their lives. So you can say directly, I want to speak on how COVID-19 Corona has changed my life. Okay. And for the big kids, the topic is the new technical world after an year of pandemic. Now, I suppose सब लोग हम लोग मोबाइल पे काम कर रहे हैं, लैपटॉप पे स्कूल हो रहा है. Have you ever imagined, कभी इमेजिन किया था हम लोग स्कूल नहीं जा पाएंगे फिजिकली और साल भर सिर्फ हम लोग लैपटॉप पे या मोबाइल से स्कूल करेंगे? कभी आप लोगों ने इमेजिन किया था मोबाइल पे गेम्स खेलेंगे? न्यू गेम्स, न्यू इनोवेटिव आइडियाज थ्रू मोबाइल्स, लैपटॉप्स, टीवीज. So you all have to put your imagination in your mind and speak through. Okay? Yes. The next girl, Ritvi Baldawa. Are you there, Ritvi Baldawa?
Yes.
Yes. Can you speak, please?
Good afternoon. My name is Ritvi Baldawa. Corona has
बोलना
changed
जोर से बोल, अच्छे से क्लियर
my life.
बोलना.
Corona has life my very much.
करना
Corona has changed my life very much. I can't go.
बोलना, हिंदी में बोल। हिंदी में बोल के क्या होता है? कोरोना के कारण क्या हुआ है?
बाहर नहीं जा सकते।
जोर से बोल, क्लियर। मैम
बाहर नहीं जा सकते।
तो कहाँ जाना है बाहर आपको? कहाँ जाते थे आप पहले?
गार्डन।
गार्डन नहीं जा सकते। बोलो मैम को मैं गार्डन मिस करती हूँ। बोलो अच्छे से, क्लियर।
मैं गार्डन मिस करती हूँ।
और क्या करते हो मिस?
स्कूल।
स्कूल। और
स्कूल मिस करती हूँ।
और
फ्रेंड्स को।
बोल।
फ्रेंड्स को मिस करती हूँ। भी मिस करती और पापा मम्मी घर पे तो उनके साथ मजा आता है। थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड। सी, आप स्कूल में रहते थे, स्कूल तो सभी बच्चे मिस कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड गार्डन जाना, यस, आई ऑल्सो मिस, आई ऑल्सो यूज टू गो टू गार्डन आफ्टर माई, आफ्टर माई every work in my home in the evening. Now I also used to go to garden. That I also miss. But one most important thing, you are enjoying, right? You are with your mummy and papa. ऐसा कभी मिलता था? नहीं, आधा दिन तो स्कूल में ही चला जाता था, है ना? Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now I want uh, Nandika Jaketia. Are you here?
यस मैम।
Yes, बच्चा। बताओ, अपने आप को पहले अपना नाम बोलो, अपना एज बोलो, and then you can start.
My name is Nandika Jaketia. I am 5 years old. I study in San Francisco. हम पार्क नहीं जा पाते एंड हम आइसक्रीम भी नहीं खा पाते बाहर। और मैं अपने स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को बहुत मिस करती हूँ। एंड पार्क में नहीं जा पाते। COVID is very bad. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Ahan Baheti, are you here? Ahan Baheti, are you here, बच्चा? Chaks Rathi, what happened? You have raised hand. Any doubt you have? Swara Mohta, what happened? You have raised hand. Any doubt you have? Neeraj Biani, any doubt? आप लोगों ने रेज हैंड किया है, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि आपको कुछ समझा नहीं है।
टीचर,
Yes.
we are going line wise.
No, we are going age wise. सबसे पहले मैं सबसे छोटे बच्चों का ले रही हूँ।
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Vanshika Kasar, I saw you. You are here. Vanshika Kasar.
Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Vanshika. I'm 5 years old. मैम आपको सुनाई आ रहा है क्या?
यस, मुझे सुनाई आ रहा है बच्चा.
मैम मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पा रही, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेल नहीं पा रही, आउटडोर गेम्स नहीं खेल पा रही और पार्क में नहीं जा पा रही. I don't like this. मुझे पता है यदि हम मास्क पहनेंगे, हैंड वॉश करेंगे और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कर रखेंगे तो कोरोना जल्दी चले जाएगा. गो कोरोना गो. थैंक यू.
Very good. Yes, I also want. Go Corona go. I really want. Right? You all also want. Adya Somani. Are you here, Adya Somani?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adya Somani and my age is 5 years. And earlier I not go out. I went outside and play with my friends. And I used to go to restaurant and I used to travel and I not wear mask earlier and I not wash my hands earlier and sanitizer my hands, but now I have to wear my mask, sanitize my hands and not wash my hands. And I spend time with my parents and at home and watch less TV. Thank you.
You seriously watch less TV. Very good. You are a good girl. Good girl. Very good. Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I am Daksh. And ma'am, should we on our camera while telling the speech?
Obviously, yes. I also want to see you. I want to see my kids. How do they look? And even your friends
Okay,
want
ma'am.
to see.
Sure, I have a place for coronavirus.
Okay, please be on mute. Please be on mute. Okay, so now are you ready, Nirvi? Nirvi, now are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
बोल, जय श्री कृष्ण. जोरसू. 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 My name is Zosu.
My name is Shrija, please mute.
The girl in the name of Sandeep Jakotia.
Yes, sir.
Please be muted. Why are you muting, unmuting, muting, unmuting? Is there a problem in your device?
Yes.
Because I could not hear the kid, what she was saying, what Nirvi was saying, I could not hear. Please be muted.
She was little low. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you very well. What happened?
She was not that loud too.
Okay. Can she say 2-3 lines again?
Yeah, she can. She will be loud
Yes.
now.
Please,
Zosu.
kids, no one to be unmuted because I am not able to hear what the kid is saying.
My name is
Are you able to hear her?
I am 5 years old. Corona कोरोना में हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, हमें मास्क पहन कर जाना चाहिए और हमें हैंड वॉश करना हमें हैंड वॉश से करना चाहिए। हम स्कूल पर हम घर पे ही घर से स्कूल पापा पर तो हम उनके साथ खेल सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Very good. Very good. Ahan, are you here now? Ahan? Ahan Baheti?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, please say me. Please speak about your topic.
Hello, I'm Ahan and I am 5 years old. Corona did some bad things to me and some good things to me. Now I will start bad things. Corona didn't let me go to school and it didn't let me meet my friends and didn't let me see my school. And now I am in the new school, BIS. The good things are that my little sister Muskan and my little brother Arya was born. And Corona taught me to wash my hands. And Corona taught me to Nothing else.
Okay, okay, very good. See, so there are some good points also in everyone's life, and there are some bad points also in everyone's life, right? Yes,
Ma'am, today we
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
vocal session, right?
yes, Ishan, just Srishti Rathi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, please tell me about your topic.
School. Coronavirus. My name is Srishti Rathi. I'm 6 years old. I study in Sulochana Devi Singhania School. Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School. I am in the first standard, and today I'm talking about coronavirus. Coronavirus is you cannot go outside. We cannot go to garden and school. I'm missing my school and garden and friends also. I am. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yashasri Jakotia, yes, please tell me about your topic, bacha.
My name is Yashasri Jakutia. I am 6 years old. I'm from Murbar. My topic is how Corona changes my life changes what? कोरोना जो आया ये चीन की माया कोई रोक न पाया ये गीत है बड़ा रोकने का तरीका टीवी में दिखाया पीएम ने समझाया कोई ना माना तेरा कोरोना ये जाने किस पे आएगा ये वायरस तो है आवारा तेरी हिम्मत आजमाएगा yes it's true corona is so dangerous it changes whole life people are habitual washing and sanitizer hands mask is the new accessory social distancing is become part of life one of later major changes is online school for home by follow by following all rules be
Very, very good. I loved your song. I really loved your song. Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes. I want Devansh Mundra. Devansh Mundra.
Yes, ma'am. He's ready.
Hello everyone. My name is Devansh Munda. I am 6 years old. I am from Pune. I am Pune. आज का हमारा टॉपिक आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कि
जोर से बोलो।
आज का हमारा टॉपिक है
कोरोना वायरस से क्या इफेक्ट हुआ?
कोरोना से क्या इफेक्ट हुआ है।
बोलो। से कोरोना वायरस की वजह से क्या हुआ है?
कोरोना इसके वजह से सबको घर में रहना पड़ रहा है और कोई गार्डन में भी नहीं जा पा रहा है। आई मिस गार्डन एंड स्कूल। और हमें ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करनी पड़ती है। मुझे बोर हो चुका है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से।
मैम हंस नहीं रहे, मैम को अच्छा लगा इसलिए हंसे। बोलो बोलो, अरे बोलो।
अरे मैम इसके लिए हंसे क्योंकि सच में बताऊं क्या, मुझे भी बोर हो चुका है। जैसे आप ऑनलाइन क्लास करते हो ना, वैसे आई एम ऑल्सो हैविंग माई डॉटर। वो भी ऑनलाइन क्लास करती है और उसका ऑनलाइन क्लास का वो टीचर का सुन सुन के मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ। इसके लिए मैं हंसी।
मैं तो ये लॉकडाउन में यूट्यूबर बन गया था। बोलो बोलो।
आई एम यूट्यूबर।
चैनल का नाम?
मेरे चैनल का नाम है देवांश की दुनिया। वहाँ मैं अपनी सारी वीडियो शेयर करता हूँ। मुझे नानी की याद आ रही है। मुझे नानी के यहाँ जाना है। हम सब प्रे करेंगे गॉड को कि कोरोना जल्द से जल्द चले जाए और सब ठीक हो जाए। थैंक यू।
Very good, very, very good. See why I laughed? I didn't laugh
Thank
because
you.
I didn't like. I liked your that sentence because actually, I can understand for your kids. It is so much difficult for the school of 2 to 3 hours to continuously sit online. It is very much difficult. हम लोग छोटे थे तो हमको कंप्यूटर का भी नाम नहीं पता था। तो I can really understand for you kids what pressure you are facing in your life. I can really understand that. So that's why we are here for the 30 days to take each
मेरे
and
को
every
बहुत
different
बुरा
type of
लगता है कि
activity.
कोरोना की वजह से लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं।
हाँ, this is the most baddest thing. Okay, this is the worst thing
हमें
which we
बाहर
are
नहीं जाना
facing.
चाहिए। हमें बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए। कोरोना से
Yes.
बीमार हो भी गई और ठीक भी हो गई।
Okay. Arohi Birla.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Atharva Kakani, when is his turn? He is 5 years old.
Atharva Kakani. Just a second.
Yes.
I called, I suppose, his name. Just a second. Yes, okay. He can say right now, then I will see, take.
Okay, thank you. Say.
My name is
Ma'am,
I'm 5 years old.
ma'am,
5 years old.
Is he audible?
ma'am,
Please, जो भी unmute है वो mute हो जाओ, please.
ma'am, I want to tell that just can you check Arya Jaju, 11 years old, have it finished? I will call you.
What happened? I have not taken 11 years kid now.
Okay.
Yes, I have started from the small kids.
Okay.
Yes, but you don't have to leave the meeting and go anywhere. You have to be audience for these small kids. आप लोगों को देखना है कि उनके मन में क्या है, आप लोगों को वो सुनना है. I want you all to cheer them up. Okay? Yes, Atharva, please say.
ठीक.
My name is Atharva Kakani.
My name is Atharva Kakani.
I'm 5 years old.
I'm 5 years old.
I'm from Nagpur.
I'm from Nagpur.
Topic is coronavirus.
Topic is coronavirus.
Coronavirus has
Changed my life in two ways. Positive and negative. Negative are I cannot go my school. I cannot play outdoor games to my friends. Beat my friends. Positive are I am spending lot of time with my family. I'm learning new things. Thank you.
Very good, Atharva. Yes, just a second. Arohi Birla, are you here, bacha? Arohi Birla?
Yes.
Atharva, please be on mute. Yes, Arohi?
Yes.
Yes, please say.
Good afternoon. Excuse me, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arohi Birla. I am 6 years old. I study in first B. Because of Corona, we can't go outside like mall, park, garden, triple. We can't play with our friends. We can't go to school. But because of Corona, Mama, Papa spend more time with us. They play like carom, ludo, snake and ladders with us. I hope everything just be as before soon. Thank you.
Very good, Arohi. Natali Daga, I saw you. You are also here. Natali? Natali Daga?
Teacher, can I
Yes.
speak? Then I speak.
Your name?
Harshit Biani.
Wait. Natali Daga, are you here? Okay, Harshit, you speak now.
Good afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Harshit Biani. Today you are muted.
What happened, Harshit?
Hear his voice. He is muted.
Harshit, what happened? Harshit?
Yes, teacher, I am not. Ma'am, Natali Dhaka is there. Good afternoon, teacher and my friends. Today My name is Harshit Biani. Today, I am 6 years old. My topic is COVID-19. How COVID-19 changed my life. COVID-19 has changed my life. My my bade papa and badi mama has COVID. Has coronavirus positive. They are quarantined for 14 days. Now I want to speak about COVID-19. We cannot go outside. We have to stay half home. We wear the mask when we go out, and when we come back in home, we with hands, wash our hands and early. Uh, we take Ayurvedic kada. That is compulsory. We have to attend online classes.
अब तो मैं करूंगा इस
We cannot go to school. We cannot be with my friends physically. But nice thing is that we family are together. We eat together and on one table. We spend time more together. Go Corona. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Very nicely said. Very nicely said. See, you have to be at home, and this second wave, it is actually fatal and deadly. So for you kids also, it is a big danger. I would also love to see you all kids at home only, and I request you that you should not, आप मम्मा पापा से जिद भी नहीं करना चाहिए कि नहीं बाहर जाना है, हमें बाहर खेलना है. नो, हेल अभी तक खतरा गया नहीं है. There will be nice days soon. So till then you have to stay home only. Okay? Very nicely said. Very nicely said.
Teacher,
Yes, bacha.
stay home, stay safe.
Yes. You too. Now, Natali Daga, आ गए क्या आप? Natali Daga? Natali Daga? Yes?
Ma'am, can I?
Just a second. Hold on. Okay, Natali, you are not here. Naitik Lohia? Naitik Lohia?
Home Minister.
Please be muted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Ma'am, can I please tell because battery is very much low.
What's your name?
Mobile can switch off Anytime.
What is your name?
My name is Nishtha.
Huh?
Nishtha.
Nish.
Nishtha.
Yes. What is your age, बच्चा?
Ma'am, my age is 8 years old.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
What should I repeat?
Just what did you said now? Can I see my speech because that is much low. The mobile can switch off anytime.
What are you saying? Because it is not clear. Your voice isn't clear actually.
Ma'am, I joined by other account.
Yes? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You have joined by Archana Baldava only name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I
so
have.
जोर से बोलना.
Yes, ma'am. I have joined by Archana Baldava account because my account is locked by my school.
okay. You can say.
Good afternoon. My name is Nisha Baldava. Because of Corona, I can't go school, meet friends.
Ma'am, she's having a network issue.
Okay, no problem. Is she there? Okay. Anyone 5 years, 6 years missed out by me? Just a second.
Ma'am, I am 6 years.
Yes. Yes, just a second. Wait, everyone on mute.
Everyone on mute. Everyone mute.
Mute, please.
Everyone mute. Mute, please.
Okay.
Everyone mute.
Laksh and Lakshit Mundra.
Ma'am, my chance was going on. Suddenly I was left.
Okay, you are back. Say. Sorry.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Nishtha Baldava. Because of I am speaking about topic coronavirus. Because of corona, I can't go to school, meet friends, can't play with them, etc. If we wear masks, keep social distancing and wash hand time to time, we can win this war between us and corona. Thank you.
Very good. Lakshit Mundra. Are you here, Lakshit? Are you? Yes. Ayush Ladda, I'm coming to you only. Ayush Ladda?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Ayush Ladda. I am 5 years old. जब तक कोरोना आया, जब तक मेरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई, मेरा पार्क में खेलना बंद हो गया, बर्थडे में जाना, मार्केट में दुकान में जाना बंद हो गया है, सब जगह। मैं घर में, मेरे पापा घर में से काम करते हैं, मेरी मम्मी भी। स्कूल भी बंद हो गया, हमारी ऑनलाइन स्कूल और समर कैंप ऑनलाइन चालू हो गया है। मैं हेल्दी खाना खाकर स्ट्रॉन्ग रह रहा हूँ। हमें मास्क पहनना पड़ता है, हमें 2 गज की दूरी बनानी पड़ती है, हमें बार हैंड वॉश करना चाहिए सैनिटाइजर लगाना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सानवी काबरा,
मैं कैन आई स्पीक?
वेरी गुड। सानवी काबरा,
मैम कैन आई स्पीक? अक्षिता राठी।
please, big kids, I will ask you. First, I want the small kids to say. Please don't unmute,
Ma'am,
बच्चा
can I
लोग.
tell?
Please don't unmute.
Because
No, please don't
my
unmute.
class is there.
Years old. Ma'am, I tell please.
आपका कौन बोला अभी my class is there?
My name is Anvika. I am 6 years old.
Me.
Yes, Sanvi, say. Others all to be unmute. Others all to be muted, please.
I talk about Corona, how Corona changed our lives. Corona has affected us in many ways. We are forced to be at home. We cannot meet our friends. We cannot go to garden and other public places. Corona has affected Corona has affected many families. Once we pray to God to take Corona away so we can live happily. Thank you.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can I speak?
Vivan Tapadia, I am knowing the names. I am knowing the names. I am knowing the names. I won't allow you to just interrupt you all in between and saying, can I say, can I say? I will call you by turn. Vivan Tapadia, please be muted. Is Vivan Tapadia here?
No.
He was logged in the name of Mamta Tapadia. Are you here, Vivan?
I want to speak.
I will not let anyone speak. जो भी बोलेगा ना I want to speak उनका turn ही नहीं आएगा. So please be muted now. I will call the names.
Okay, ma'am.
I will call all of your names. Lakshit Mundra, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I am 5 years old.
Yes, Lakshit, please say.
कोरोना वायरस की वजह से सबको तकलीफ होती है और सबको बीमारियां फैलती है। बीमारियां होने के बाद भी हमें बहुत परेशानी होती है और उसके बाद में हमें मास्क पहन के रहना पड़ता है और बार बार हाथ धोना पड़ता है, सैनिटाइजर लगाना पड़ता है, ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है, फ्रेंड्स को नहीं मिल सकते हैं।
Very good, very good. Arna Mandhanya. Arna Mandhanya.
Ma'am.
Yes, can you say, bacha?
Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Anna Mandhanya. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm going to speak on the topic how Corona changed our lives. Corona is a very dangerous disease. So I can't go school. I can't eat breakfast with my friends, and I can't also play in my school park. And I miss my teachers and friends. And I miss going to the mall and playing in the fun zone. Fun zone. I love going in birthday parties. And I enjoy and I enjoy playing in the park. But I need to study now because I'm going to first standard.
What good happened to you in Corona? What things you learned at home? Tell that.
I learned lots of board games like Snakes and Ladders, Ludo, Scrabble, and chess. I hope the corona disappears. I hope the corona goes away. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Natali Daga, are you here? Natali Daga, are you here? Okay. Namish Nagori, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say me.
I can start.
Yes, you can start definitely.
Hello, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Namish Nagori. Today I am going to tell you about the topic which we have learned, which we have hearing day in out everywhere. Let it be any foods, any guess. Yes, you are right. It's coronavirus. The most talked about and how COVID-19 has changed our life. To start with, old saying, prevention is better than cure. Same is followed in various ways: sanitizing, wearing masks, social distancing, etc. With time, we need to change. To point out the thing is endless, and to point out our main thing is our school. For earlier we need to go in our school and play with friends. In first time we used to play with friends, and in park I miss school park, and I miss friends, I miss garden, and I miss everything. Stay stay safe. Thank you.
Very good, Namish. Kashvi Manudane, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, please say me.
Yes. Hello, my name is Kashmi Manudane. Today I am going to say something about coronavirus. While we have heard negative effects of corona, I would like to highlight a few effects of corona. We have spent more equity of time with family. Everyone is working from home as far as possible. Traveling time is regarded, and hence we can also spend more time with family or nurturing our hobbies. We have become more hygienic, and our hands are cleaner than ever. We wash our hands and face with soap and wear masks whenever we need to go out. We have increased our intake of fruits and vegetables to boost our immunity. Our environment is more beautiful and cleaner. We can hear chirping of birds and mittu of parrots. In the morning, air is less impure since many industries which releases harmful gases in the air are closed. I hope people to look at the positive side and continue to be grateful to Mother Nature even after this pandemic is over. Stay strong, stay positive, stay safe. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Virat Jhawar, are you here? Virat Jhawar.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello teachers and my friends. My name is Virat Jhawar. I am 7 years old. I studying in Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School. My day used to start with school, meeting friends and studying. At evening, I played with my friends and enjoyed going to various classes. But now my lifestyle has changed due to this pandemic. I have to stay at home without meeting my friends and going to school, but I have learned to attend virtual school using laptop and mobiles. Thanks to my teacher who has put lot of efforts for my education. In this third time, I have also learned to spend time with my family members in my younger brothers. Now I am eager waiting for my school to open soon and get back to my previous life again. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.
Very good, very good. Suvid Mundra.
Ma'am, I want to say, ma'am, I have a class, so can you take my now?
It's okay. See, I am taking age-wise, and if at all your chance is not coming today, it will be coming in our next vocal session. I want you all to be here and encourage our small kids. See, these kids are too much small. आप लोगों के ये एज 2-3 साल गुजर चुके हैं, लेकिन ये बच्चों को आप लोगों का मोटिवेशन चाहिए. They can't see other kids all around. So I want you all to be here and motivate them. Hence I kept this session. It's okay if your chance will not come today, then it will be taken in the next vocal session. Yes, no problem. That's what I'm saying. It's okay if your chance will not come today. We will be taking in the next vocal session. We are having another vocal session also.
आप दूसरी लिंक भी भेजोगे?
Ma'am, what?
Yes. I want Sumit Mundra to be online, please. Sumit Mundra, please unmute.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
कौन बोल रहा है? Can I say? Yes, Suvid, you can say. Only you should be online. Suvid only will be unmuted. Rest all please mute. Yes.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैम आप बड़े बच्चों की दूसरी लिंक भेजोगे क्या?
बड़े बच्चों के क्या भेजोगे?
दूसरी लिंक।
दूसरी लिंक? क्यों दूसरी लिंक क्यों भेजूं?
मैम
What happened?
मैम हम कितने बजे तक रहने वाले हैं?
Shubit, our class is there till 3:45 only. Shubit, please say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Subir Mundada. I am going to talk about coronavirus. My life has changed completely since my school was closed because of COVID-19. Before, I spent most of the day at the school with my classmates. Now, this is my free time. I spend most of the time with gadgets like TV, laptop, mobile phone, and mobile phones. When I went my school, my schedule was really full. I got up early, prepared for school, and also had extra classes like skating, football, genius kids, and so on. Now, my schedule is organized according to the self isolation rules. I wake up at 8 a.m. I have my breakfast and then I have my online classes. I spend my free time as I wish. I am at home all the time. When I went to school, I had more homework, but that is more engaging and interesting too. I could concentrate better. Online schooling is something new. At times, I struggle with online studying because I don't understand what teacher is saying because of internet connection and technical problem. There were more chaotic also because all were unmuted and started talking. But it's also interesting too. I want to go back to my previous routine. I don't like this routine. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Swadha Tauri, are you here? Swadha, are you here?
yes ma'am.
Yes. So please say.
Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून, माय नेम इज स्वरा मोहता, मैं विदिशा से हूँ। आज मैं
I have told Swadha Tauri. Wait, I have told Swadha Tauri. Yes, Swadha, please say.
Good afternoon. My name is Swadha Harshal Tauri. I am 6 years old. Today's topic is Corona, how affect our life. Corona is a virus. Because of Corona, I learned so many good things. I wash my hands regularly. I do exercise and I eat healthy food and I join singing class with my father. I spend more time with my family. There are negative points also, like I miss my school, I miss my friends, I cannot play with my friends, I cannot go garden. One poem I want to say. Corona, चले जा कोरोना तू कब जाइला कोरोना तू कब जाइला मना मारा फ्रेंड्स का साथ खेलनु मना मारा फ्रेंड्स का साथ खेलनु कोरोना तू कब जाइला कोरोना तू कब जाइला स्टे होम स्टे सेफ थैंक यू
Very good. Very nicely said. Very, very nicely said. So kids, please my chance करके आप लोग मत लिखो. हमारे पास एक और वोकल्स का सेशन है. तो जिस किसी का भी चांस आज नहीं आया है, आई एम श्योर डेफिनेटली वो नेक्स्ट वाले वोकल्स के सेशन में आएगा ही आएगा. So here we have done for today. I want you all to encourage other kids by being the audience. Listen to them how they are saying. आपके ही एज ग्रुप के हैं सब लोग. कुछ आप कोई बात नहीं बच्चा, नेक्स्ट वोकल्स वाले सेशन में आएगा. वी आर हैविंग अ नेक्स्ट वोकल सेशन ऑल्सो. It is not possible because of the time constraint to take everyone's chance in one session. Hence, I have kept 2 sessions and I have kept these sessions interactive. I want you all to speak. अब हम पूरा 1.5 year ये पैंडेमिक से गुजर के आए हैं and still we are facing the same problems of COVID. I want your experiences. Hence, I chose this topic because if it is struggling for we big people also, I can definitely understand how struggling it will be for you kids at such a small age. You have to do each and everything online. सब काम खुद से करना है. At times you help your mama in the kitchen, in the housework. At times to help your papa. Some kids help in dadi dada, nanu nani for gardening and all. I can very well understand these all things. I want you all to come up with these all points. So we all will be meeting tomorrow. I am sure you liked this session. जितने भी बच्चों ने बोला बहुत बहुत अच्छे से बोला. I liked, I appreciate. 2-3 बच्चों ने पोएम बोली. I really like those poems. Very good kids. Keep it up. For the kids जिन लोगों का चांस आज नहीं आया है, वो हमारे नेक्स्ट वोकल के सेशन में आएगा. Okay kids? Bye for now. Bye everyone.
Ma'am, 10 to 15 are not done. Ma'am, 10 and 15 are not done.
में होगा ये.
Ma'am, 10 to 15 are not done.
I know 10 to 15 will be done in the next vocal session.
Bye. Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.
मैम को बाय करो चलो.
Bye बच्चा.
बाय मैम.
Bye.
बाय मैम.
Bye.
बाय मैम.
Bye.
बाय मैम.
Bye everyone. Bye kids.
बाय बाय बाय.